Hello again, it's Noob, and I have here a new old stock, I think, KASP security padlock. This is the K13545D, snappy naming, and it gives itself a security rating out of 15, which is unusual, a security rating of 7, which, if you look here and here, it's not quite central, even though 7 is, you know, I mean, it should be a little bit more. No, ignore that. It's fine. But yeah, so it's halfway-ish, just below halfway up its scale, which is fine. And yeah, what does it say? 5-pin cylinder, paracentric keyway. It's got a keyhole cover. Everybody wants to know it's got a keyhole cover. Double bolted locking mechanism. Still don't really know what that means. I think it means it's got locking pulls either side, and yeah, it's a plastic coated hardened steel shackle, hardened steel body. Very, very weatherproof, it says. 7-year, oh no, not 7 years, a 7 security rating. It's doubling up on the 7 security rating. Good for garages, sheds, gates, and roller shutter things. So yeah, all right, let's give this a go. Before I carry on though, I will want to give a shout out to Lady Locks. I want to dedicate this video to Lady Locks, a great channel which you should go check out. She asked me whether I'd do a shout out for her, and I said I absolutely would. She has some great content, and she's a brilliant part of the lock picking community and does an awful lot in terms of bringing people together. So do go check out Lady Locks' channel. Right, onto this lock. Let's give this an open up. See what, it's sort of, this plastic is old, it's sort of splintering off in shards and digging into my, look, I don't think I've just cut myself, but it's like stabbed by this plastic. I really hate this stuff, I really do. When I'm king, I'll ban blister packs like this. I don't know what to replace it with, but these will be no more. Oh, the keys aren't attached to the shackle, which is nice. So let's have a look here. Now, I will try to pick this out of the box without taking this plastic off. You could do that. It's actually not that hard. Sometimes they're glued on a bit. Oh. That is, well, it says that it's you know, really good for wet weather, but yet I can see corrosion around here. Yeah, that's not so good. Let's give that a little go again. Okay, it does free itself up, but it's a little bit stuck there to begin with. Not great. So yeah, paracentric keyway, 5 pins looking at the key. Let's have a go at picking this then. First of all, we'll need something deep enough to get into the bottom of the keyway. So let's grab something which can go down in there. That actually might work really well. That's like, I might not have to use that. Let's try something a little bit more. Let's see what else I have. Something like this maybe. I've got a couple of these turners which might be quite useful. Ooh, quite like that. They don't go in too far though. I wonder if I've got something with a, maybe this. Okay, I'm not hating that. Could be a bit thicker. Yeah, not happy with any of these choices. The problem with all this blind picking. Let's try something a bit deeper top of the keyway maybe. Oh, that could work. That could definitely work. Okay, yeah, we got something which could work. Top of the, not my preference, but we can definitely work with that as the top of the keyway turner. I do have a thicker one here. Let's see if I can swap that out. I do prefer a thicker one for the feedback. No, it just won't go in, so we're going to have to deal with this 1mm one instead of the 1.3, I think. So yeah, we'll go with that. Okay, so a bit awkward because I'm going to thumb tension and hold the plastic, the very important plastic cover with my thumb. And I'm going to go in with a picking tool. Now, it's going to be hard because I've got a lot of the lock caught up with the turner, so that's pin 1, 4 there, 3. Usually got some spool pins in these locks, so let's see how this goes. That's 2. I don't think I've got to pin 5 yet. That's 5. Anything else I can feel? We're not quite open yet though, even though I think I've picked nearly every pin in this lock. That's 4. 3, 2. Might swap over to a gem style pick. Try and get some of those higher set pins if I can. Nothing on that pin. Trying to go through, see what I've missed. All the way to the back. Let's go. Okay, so 5, nothing. 4, nothing. 3, 2. Oh, 1. Might have overlifted that, but we'll see. That feels nice and loose. Okay, back through. It feels very crunchy in here. I don't like the way that this lock feels on the inside. It feels really sort of stiff and crunchy. Yeah, don't like this at all. Needs oiling. Oh, that's crunchy, really crunchy. I haven't picked a lock this crunchy for ages. I really think that something's like dried up in here. Let me just test it with the keys. Should have done this before. Oh, I did, didn't I? Yeah, it's a bit gross in there. Let me just give it a little oil. I've got some actual lock oil here. Give that a go. Oh. So, oh. I don't think it locked up properly since either I had opened it or it's so gunked up it's not opening properly. I think I just need to give this whole thing a bit of an oil. It's actually one of those times where I think that through lack of use it's just become so gunked up that it isn't opening properly. All right, let's try let's try this again, this time with feeling. Right, let's try that. Pop this in. Gonna go straight in with the gem this time. No mucking about. Pin 1, good click. 3 on pin 2, 1, okay. 2, and we are open. So that was really quick once we had just lubricated it properly. So I think there's a lesson in there for sure. Yes, I'm back. I've found a combination of tools which work very well. So I've got a very, very long nose turning tool, which I think I made for another lock of similar keyway depth. And I have an Abona dual peak rake here. So if we just go in and give this a little rock, we should be able to, yep, get the open. There, pretty easy. Just needed a little lube. Anyway, thank you for watching. It is interesting, isn't it? These older locks that are just a little bit seized up, whether there's some dry grease on the inside or it's a little bit rusted and just needs to be freed. Even if they're new in the packet, it doesn't mean that they are free from corrosion and the sands of time. So certainly some lessons for us all there. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can. And of course, go check out Lately Locks' channel. I'll stick some links below in the description. All right, catch you all later.